Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel Data Sculptor. Today we are going to see another interesting question, this time using DAX. So you have a table called sales and you have some columns: transaction ID, date, quantity, product ID and sales amount. So the output you need to return is you need to return the top three products based on the sales. So for every product, whatever is the sales amount, that you need to return the top three products based on the sales amount. So using SQL, this is very simple. You can use the row number function or rank or range rank function to get the top three products. But now let's see how to solve this using DAX. So as we have seen, we need to return the top three. So to get the top three, this is the DAX function you need to use. You need to use the top n function. So these are the arguments. So first is the number of rows, the number of top rows to return. So if you want top three, you have to enter 3. If you want to return top 5, then you have to enter 5. Then the table from which to retrieve the top n rows. This might not be a physical table. You can also use an expression. So that is present here. The expression used to evaluate and return the rows. This is typically a measure or a column that contains numeric values. And order. So the next one is order. So optional. It is optional. So the order in which to sort the rows, either ascending or descending. So if you do not mention anything, the order will be ascending. So this is the syntax for top n. So now let's see how to create this. So since we want 3 rows, we cannot create a measure. So since we want to return a table, we need to create a calculated table. So for that, what I'll do here in insert, I'll create table. Sorry. Uh, sorry. Yeah, in modeling, I'll create new table. So when I click on new table, here this table will be created and I'll use the top n. So top n of, and n value is 3 comma table. Table will use summarize of sales comma uh, group by column product id comma group by column 2. So for this I'll keep product sales and I have to use the sum of uh, sales amount. Okay, so this is the table I have mentioned, and now I have to return the uh, uh, the column name. So in this, once I have written, once I have provided the table, I need to return by which column I want the sorting. By which column I want the uh, uh, by which column I want the top three. So here in this table I have two columns, product ID and product sales. Since I want the top three based on product sales, I'll select this top product sales and I have closed this and the table is created. So now let's see what are the values in this. So by default a chart is created. So instead of chart I'll use the table, and instead of count I'll use don't summarize. So if I use don't summarize, I'll get the product ID, and instead of sum of product sales I'll just use don't summarize. So if you see, only 3 products are written out of the mentioned products. So now let's see initially what all data is there. So product ID and sales amount. If I use this and I'll keep this in a table, and if you see don't summarize. So here I'm basically in the initial table I'm having 4 entries. So first 360, 300, 160 and 60. So if I sort it by descending order, uh, this is the 360, 300, 160 and 60. Since I want it by the top 3, so these are the top 3 I'm getting. So hope you all like this question and also the solution. If you like this video, please click on the like button and also click on subscribe button for more videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.